Today on The Right Slant, we're breaking down what really happens when a firearm is confiscated in the state of New Jersey. We're going to cover the most common reasons your gun might be taken, the legal process the state follows, exactly what steps you must take to get your firearm returned, and two real New Jersey court cases where gun owners fought the system and see what happened. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how the process works and how to navigate it legally. In New Jersey, firearms can be confiscated under several circumstances, many of them mandatory under state law. The most common include domestic violence incidents. If police respond to a home and have probable cause to believe domestic violence has occurred, officers are required to seize any firearms in the home under NJSA 2C 25-21. Extreme risk protective orders, also known as red flag orders. These allow police to seize firearms if a judge determines a person poses a significant danger. Firearms discovered during an arrest, even if the charge is unrelated to weapons, NJ law allows seizure pending investigation. Expired or revoked firearm permits. New Jersey is one of the states where firearm possession is tied to permit status. Unlawful transport or possession issues. NJ has strict transportation and storage laws. Violation can lead to immediate confiscation. New Jersey takes a seize first, sort it out later approach. What matters for you is knowing what happens next. Once law enforcement confiscates your firearm in New Jersey, the department has 48 hours to file a request with the county prosecutor recommending that your firearm not be returned. This triggers the formal return process. From there, the prosecutor has 45 days to petition the Superior Court to retain the firearm permanently. If they fail to file within those 45 days, you are legally entitled to the return of your firearm. If the prosecutor does file, then a court hearing is scheduled, and you'll have the opportunity to present your case. New Jersey courts review factors such as whether you pose a risk to yourself or others, whether criminal charges are pending, your history with firearms, your permit status, any documented threats, mental health concerns, or domestic violence claims. This is a civil proceeding, not a criminal one, meaning the burden of proof is lower, and you must be present and prepared. If you want deeper, fact-based breakdowns of firearm laws across the country, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos from The Right Slant. To legally get your firearm back in New Jersey, you must follow a strict and documented process. Here's the exact step-by-step path. Step 1. Request return in writing to the police department. This is done by contacting the records or property department. Some departments have a formal form, others require a letter. Step 2. Confirm whether the prosecutor has filed a retention petition. You or your attorney can check with the county prosecutor's office. If no petition is filed within 45 days, they must return the firearm. Step 3. If a petition is filed, attend the Superior Court hearing. This hearing determines whether you are legally permitted to possess firearms. The firearm should be returned. Additional conditions apply. Step 4. Provide all required documentation. You may need your NJ Firearms Purchaser ID card, permit to purchase handgun paperwork, any restraining order dismissal documentation, proof of lawful ownership, proof of safe storage. Step 5. If the court approves the return, schedule retrieval. You must pick the firearm up in person and present identification. Step 6. If the court denies return, you may appeal. Appeals go to the Appellate Division of the New Jersey Superior Court. Following these steps exactly is critical to compliance in New Jersey. Case example number 1 in Re JWD. Facts: a man's firearms were seized after a domestic dispute. Although the criminal charges were dismissed, the prosecutor argued he posed a risk due to alleged alcohol issues and prior disturbances. The trial court denied return of the firearms. JWD appealed. Outcome: the Appellate Division reversed the decision because the state failed to prove he posed a threat by a preponderance of the evidence. This case established that dismissed charges plus unproven allegations are not sufficient grounds to deny return. Case example number 2 in Re-Return of Weapons to FM 225 NJ 487. Facts: Police confiscated firearms after allegations of domestic tension. No criminal charges were filed. The prosecutor argued the owner's alleged anger issues made him unfit. The lower court ordered forfeiture. Outcome: the New Jersey Supreme Court reversed, ruling domestic stress alone is not enough to permanently confiscate firearms. The state must show actual evidence of danger, not speculation. This case strengthened the evidentiary standards for keeping confiscated firearms. New Jersey is one of the strictest firearm states in the country, and the confiscation process reflects that. The most important thing you can do is document every communication, track the 45-day deadline, attend all hearings, bring proof of lawful ownership, and consult counsel when necessary. The law provides a path to get your firearms returned, but you must follow the state's procedures to the letter. Thanks for watching The Right Slant. Stay informed, stay prepared, and always know your rights. I'll see you in the next video.